guys, welcome back to my channel. I am Liz Rose. If you haven't seen my channel before, thank you for being here. I do quite colourful, bold looks on this channel with a few natural looks and a few hauls or get readies with me. If you like that sort of content, then please make sure to subscribe before you leave. Make sure to give this video a big thumbs up if you enjoy. If you want to see how I created this look and who inspired me, then please keep on watching. Okay, so today I have a look inspired by, wait a minute, Rocio Sija. I can never say her name, but she is so amazing. It's this look here. I'll pop it up on the screen because you could probably see the glare on my phone. But it's absolutely stunning. It's with the Plouise palette and a few other shades from a different palette, because I want some pastel shades as well. But I'm also going to be using the Plouise bases, kind of like the pastel colours, and I'm really happy with how this eye has turned out. So I'm going to try and attempt it on this eye. So, as you all know, I do my eyes first, especially when it's colourful looks like this, just so I can get a gist of how to do it and stuff. So, let's go straight into it. I have a job tomorrow doing someone's makeup because I now work at a salon being a makeup artist, which I have been wanting to do for a while now, but I've only just started out. This is going to be my first client. I'm so excited but nervous at the same time, just because it's my first proper client. Like, I did my boss's makeup. I suppose she's my boss. I am self-employed, but I did her makeup just for a trial, just to see if I'm actually as good as my portfolio, my Instagram, and I got the job. So yes, I'm excited but nervous. So I'm going to take the Plouise base in the shade 0. I always use this, you should know. I am running out of this shade though. If there's any makeup artists out there watching this video, possibly not, please let me know what you use in your kit. I have built up quite a decent amount of makeup, but I want to know what you've used and what you've seen yourself repeatedly using, so please let me know. Artist to artist, you know. I am currently still in university studying fine art, if you didn't know, but I have about 2 months left, and I'm so excited to finish and just be my own boss and of course do people's makeup. I'm not going to talk whilst doing this because I will mess up. Okay, so the first shade I'm going to go in with is Love... Ow! Oh, I just caught my finger in there. I'm going to take Love Shy, I think it's called that, yeah, which is like a purpley brown tone. I hate that this palette's so bulky. I love the packaging, don't get me wrong, but it's so bulky. And I'm going to actually take it on a really fluffy brush. I haven't done this in a while. This is the Morphe M441 brush, and I'm going to pat this in the crease and around that corner off. Okay, so then next I'm going to go into Velvet Kiss, which is this nice kind of like pinky red shade. I'm gonna again put this just above that darker purple shade. Okay, so then lastly, for the crease kind of colours, I'm going to go in with Climax, which is the yellow shade, and I'm going higher up this time. Now I'm going to go into the cut creases. So I'm going to first take the mint shade, which is called Hint of Mint. And I'm going to mix a little bit of the white in with it, just because I want it a little bit, you know, lighter. Why not? That's what Rocio did, you know, if that's her name. Then I'm going to take Touch of Frost. And then lastly, I'm going to take Vivid Violet. Let's do this. Okay, so to set them shades, I'm going to go into the Certified Wonderful, what's this called? The Tropical Wonders palette. I'm going to go into the shade Fruit Dove, which is this kind of mintish green. And of course I'm going to set the mint green shade, really patting and packing this shade on. Okay, so then next I'm going to go into the light blue, which is called Coast, and I'm going to pop this on top of that blue base, really packing this pigment, this eyeshadow on, because it is a really pigmented, really nice blue. Okay, so then lastly I'm going to take the shade Firefish, which is this nice purple shade, but then I'm going to add a little bit of white into it because I don't want it to be too dark, as it is a pastel shade. Okay, so then next I'm going to do the pink liner. So I'm going to take the base again, called Poppin' Pink. So I'm just going to take it on an angled brush, and I'm just going to do a... Okay, so then to make that a little bit more vibrant, because that just doesn't do it for me, I'm going to take Invitation, I think that's how you say it, it's this pink shade up here. Just going to take that on the same angled brush and just pat that over where we put the pink base. So then to add a little bit more colour to this look, I'm going to do the waterline. I'm going to add the shades that we took in the cut crease. So I'm going to take the mint green shade first, then I'm going to take the blue, and then the purple. And I'm also going to pop the eyeshadow shades on just to set it in place. The pink does stain a little bit, I think. Yeah, it does. A tiny bit. See? Okay, so now I'm going to move on to the base. The cut creases are completely different, like this one's so much higher than this one, but that's okay. So I forgot to say that I did blend a little bit of that darker colour in the outer corner just to blend, you know. I'm such a crisp lover. Are you a crisp lover or a chocolate lover? Oh, it's getting quite cold, but it's really sunny outside. Okay, so for primer today I'm going to take the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I've heard that coconut is actually really bad for your skin. Who told me that? I think I've seen Thomas Halbert, is that his name? He mentioned about it, but I really like the smell of this, so. I should probably use this up as well now, because I have had it for a while. Jesus, that's tacky. So for foundation today, I'm going to take the Becca Ultimate Coverage Complexion Cream in the shade Buff. I'm not sure if this is my shade. I haven't used this in such a long time, and I thought it's about time that I used it, you know. Jesus, it's thick. That's a thick bitch. It is quite yellow. Definitely blend this down my neck. Okay, so I'm going to spritz my face with a little bit of setting spray just to make it a little bit less thick. I'm going to blend it out with a brush. Okay, so next I'm going to go in with concealer. I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. Everyone's raving about this lately for the past couple of months. This is in the shade Swan, which is quite light, which I kind of need right now. I swear, I used to think I was so yellow toned, but I'm not really that yellow toned. There are a few spots lately. I don't know whether that's because I've transitioned to healthy food from eating such shit food. I'm not sure. I'm going to blend that out with a sponge. Okay, so for powder, I'm going to take the Too Faced Born This Way setting powder. This is in the shade Translucent, I think. It doesn't say, so. Okay, so for contour slash bronzer, I'm going to take the Balm Mary, no, I keep calling it Mary Luminizer. The Balm Bahama Mama bronzer. It's quite like a deep contoury shade, so I'm going to contour first with it, and then I'm going to possibly just dust it around my face. So for blush, I'm going to go in with something different for me. This is the MAC blush in Dolly Mix. I've had this for quite some time now. I think I need to use it up. It is quite a pink shade, but I thought it would go really nicely with the liner that we have. Okay, so I'm going to set my face one more time with the setting spray. Okay, so for highlight, I'm going to go in with the Ofra Pillow Talk highlight. Because again, I want something pinky. For a person who doesn't like the colour pink, I use pink quite a lot, you know? So I'm going to use this. Okay, so I'm going to go off camera, do this eye and do my eyebrows, and I'll be right back to do this eye. Okay, so the angle might have changed a little bit because I just had to charge my battery. I need to get another one. Anyway, this eyelash feels weird. Okay, so the lower lash line, I'm going to take the dark brown shade called Love Shy on the fluffy brush and just take that from outer corner all the way to the inner corner. Really going to smoke this out. And then I'm going to take Velvet Kiss, which is like the reddy pinky shade, and just further blend that. Okay, so next I'm going to do eyelashes. So these are the Eden lashes in the style E03. I absolutely love the packaging. I'm thinking of using these in my kit just because the packaging is so nice, and obviously my clients can keep it then and it looks stunning, but I'm not sure yet. I do love tatty lashes, so of course I'm going to use the Maybelline Lash Sensational mascara. Okay, so that is the eyes done. Now is lips. So for lips I'm going to take the Colourpop Lippy Pencil in the shade Beeper, which is a nice like nudish pinky shade. And then for lipstick, I'm going to take the Colourpop like Luxe lipsticks. I'm going to take Pinkies Up, and then I'm going to add a little bit of Boy in the centre. Okay, so I believe that is the final look. Please let me know in the comments below if you enjoyed. If you did, please make sure to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you did. Let me know any video suggestions maybe and I will do them. So I love you to the moon and back, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye guys.